most highly coveted and sought after trick with the stick is the one stick spin. And that looks like keeping it on one stick in Propeller, being able to throw it, move it from stick to stick, move it from stick to stick. That's everybody's favorite. The trick is making tiny scoops where you're drawing a J and you're exerting your force as you're hooking up on the bottom of the J. You're not pushing around in a full circle. As it comes over your stick, you're getting a scoop, and that's what brings it around the next rotation. So I'm gonna try and do it slow. Scoop, scoop. You're gonna contact just on the side of the center line. Scoop, 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 scoop. So you're not holding it against it, it's just contacting it at the bottom.